Alright guys, so today I got a banger for you guys. I got 13 bodies of water that I have never been to, I've never fished, I've never caught fish at. They are very untouched bodies of water that I'm not sure many people know about, and I'm gonna be doing that today. And I put all of these spots on a roulette wheel, and I'm gonna go ahead and spin that in a minute. I have no idea what spot I'm fishing today. Alright, so now I'm in my roulette wheel, and I'm gonna spin, and we're gonna find out where we're going to catch some fish today and where I'm recording my video. So I actually got the exact pond that I wanted to go today. It's less than 30 minutes away, which isn't bad, and I'm pretty sure we can catch some big bass there. So I just pulled up to the pond. It's a lot more open than I actually expected from the beginning. Yeah, this looks good. First cast on the spinnerbait. That scared me. He hit it right at the bank. This pond is the juice. Thank you, bud. My heart is racing. That's crazy. You know I'm nice when I pick the white spinnerbait. You know I'm nice. Let's get another one, boys. My heart is still racing. There's one. This is the juiciest pond ever. Not a giant, but still a bass. Another 1 pounder, actually a little bit less than a 1 pounder. Hitting the freaking spinnerbait. The spinnerbait is getting it done. This pond is producing. They're not huge yet. Oh, quick release, quick release. Thanks, bud. Third fish. We've been here maybe 10 minutes. And that includes the walk from the car. Like, you don't even know. Ground is nice and juicy right now. So I'm gonna have some dirty shoes. I left my phone in the car. Who needs a phone when you're ripping on some toadies? That's a big one. It's bigger. Hammered the spinnerbait. Now that's a true 1 pounder. That's almost maybe 1 1/4. But another PA Brute. Oh, we love that. We love that. We love that. This is a juicy pond. This is a juicy pond. Thanks, bud. I love you. Oh, I'm having such a good time. Oh, I can't believe I found the juice. I can't believe it. It's not even far from home either. He hammered that. There's one. Right off that point out there. He's fighting hard. But another 1 pounder is still another fish. And I'm having a great time. That one took a little bit longer. It took me maybe 10 minutes to catch that one, but thanks, bud. Oh, I pulled it out of his mouth. I slowed it down and he hit it. That's why you flip back in, boys. That's why you flip back in. Miss a fish, flip back in. If you ever miss a fish on like a moving bait, like a spinner bait or a crankbait, chatterbait, you have a jig, a Ned rig, a Senko, anything more subtle to throw in there for them, 10 to 1 they're gonna hit it because they're still active and they're still kind of confused why they missed the bait. Thanks, bud. That feels like the one that I missed earlier. A little bit bigger. Dang, he's a long boy. No! Quick release again. They're hitting it, and I guess I'm just not setting it hard enough. I mean, I ripped his face off. There's one. He's a thick boy. He's a nifty boy. That's a bigger John. He's a little bit bigger, right?
Yeah.
Not very much of a graceful release, but thank you, bud. A little bit bigger. I'm trying to catch at least a 2-pounder. Toss this one bait for a little bit. See if I get thumped. It's so deep under this that I'm surprised there wasn't a fish on it earlier. Yep, there was. I knew it. Another 1-pounder. Spinnerbait is still crushing them. Back in the water she goes. Thanks, bud. There's one. Right where I thought he would be. Right by that little spillway. It's a thicker one. It's the biggest one of the day, definitely. Get a release on this girl. If you guys haven't noticed, my cameraman left me, which happened to be my dad. Last minute I asked him if he wanted to come along with me, and he said he could, but he had plans earlier, so he took off. And I'm here by myself. There's one. I think that's gonna be the last fish of the day. Definitely not the size I came here for, but that is gonna call it a day. I was looking for one more fish and I was pretty quiet. I was pretty focused on getting that last fish, but I am going to let this girl go. And this pond turned out to be an absolute juicy spot, and I definitely will be back. Thank you so much for the fight. I love you.